So we've worked out an ending for if we run out of lives, but we could also write a few more rather handy little things into our story before we end the story for the good ending. So let's enter scenario 5. In this scenario, we're going to check if certain things are in our rucksack, and if they are, we're going to have a bonus. What we're going to do is we're now going to decide on what happens in the story based on what is in our rucksack. Okay, so we're going to say if the cake is in your bag, okay, and we're going to have a bonus if you've eaten it or if it's in your bag. If cake in rucksack, we're going to have the following. And we're going to say score equals score plus 30. I'm going to have a bonus. Bonus 30 points. And we can do some sleeps in here. We're going to say if there wasn't cake in your rucksack, if you ate the cake, he's going to say lives equals lives minus 1, so lose a life, and we're also going to do that check for game over, so game over, brackets. Okay, super. Now we just need to do our score, so that's lives score brackets to work out the number of lives. Okay, and then we need some sort of ending, so we'll have a print lives score, and then do the end. And of course you can do something a bit more inventive than that. That kind of finish quite suddenly. So let's run that and see what happens. Let's have the cake in our rucksack. Okay, here goes the cottage is opened, the door is opened. Little old man surprised to see you too, and he sees that the cake has been cut because it's picked up that we've got cake in our rucksack, and it has gone for that ending. We cut 2 new slices. We've gained 30 points, so we've now got 45 points, and we've also got these things in our bag, and we've reached the end, and it just reconfirms it. Now if I run it again, we're going to eat the cake. Here we go, the door to the cottage is open. You are surprised. Standing there is a little old man who's surprised to see you too. He looks angry. He accuses you of stealing the cake and he curses you. You have 2 lives left. Your score is 17. Your rucksack contains a duck and a brush. And you've reached the end of the story. So that is how to do a positive end, and also to do a check if a certain item is in your bag, which will allow you to have a bonus. So if cake in rucksack, or if the duck is in the rucksack, you could have a little bonus there. It's up to you in your game. So try and include this in as well. Good luck.